Hello, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions and a general overview of three items. That's going to be the MXL USM 001 Universal Shock Mount, which incidentally isn't really universal, the MXL PF004G, which is a pop filter, and the MXL PF005. Let's go ahead and start with what I think is the MXL PF004G, a pop filter. Okay. Okay, the box within the box. MXL PF004G. And here it is. That is tight. I'm going to have to get a screwdriver. Okay, as you see, this is a gold pop filter. So this is the MXL PF004. Now let's go ahead and look at this box, which I presume would be the MXL PF005 and which is a pop filter, and the MXL USM 001, which is a shock mount. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the MXL PF005. Which is very, very similar to the 004, but it has a smaller diameter here. If you compare the two, you see the diameters are different. This one is supposed to fit. Where's my screwdriver? This one is supposed to fit this one microphone that I have. This particular one is a MXL V67Q. And it fits perfectly. Now, if we look at both of these pop filters, we see it's just a basic mesh, just a simple mesh. It seems to be placed nicely within the frame, both of which are the same. There's really nothing fancy about it, and it seems to be quite serviceable. Now, the USM 001G. It has some extra rubber bands. That's good. They tend to get loose after a while. Okay, seems very nice. Let's see how well this fits. And here we have it. A gold shock mount and a gold pop filter. Well, there is a problem here. If you look here, you see where this post binds against the shock mount. That provides a path by which vibrations can simply bypass the shock mount and go right into the microphone. However, I think we can simply address that. If I shorten this, then this will no longer be a problem. So I have my little Dremel here. Okay, there. What I did was I removed about 3/4 of an inch here. Okay, now I have this shortened post here. Now, it doesn't bind and it fits perfectly. Well, this has been a review of the MXL USM 001 Universal Shock Mount, the MXL PF004, and the MXL PF005. And I found that the system works quite nicely for my microphone, with the exception of the small little modification that I had to do by shortening the post. But other than that, it seems just fine.